Hey there, science enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the fascinating journey of nuclear fuel from its beginnings deep underground to powering our world, and finally, to its end. Let's start at the beginning. The fuel we use in nuclear reactors primarily comes from uranium, which is mined from the earth. Miners extract uranium ore from the ground, often from open-pit mines or underground mining operations. Once the ore is brought to the surface, it's processed to separate the uranium from the surrounding rock. This results in a concentrated form known as yellow cake. Next up, this yellow cake undergoes a series of chemical processes to convert it into a gas called uranium hexafluoride. This gas is then enriched to increase the concentration of the isotope uranium-235, which is the key ingredient for nuclear fission. Enriched uranium is then fabricated into small pellets, each about the size of a fingertip. These pellets are stacked into long tubes, creating fuel rods. Now, let's talk about how this fuel powers our world. These fuel rods are assembled into bundles and loaded into a nuclear reactor. Inside the reactor, the uranium atoms split, releasing a tremendous amount of heat. This heat is used to generate steam, which then drives turbines connected to generators. And voila, we have electricity. But what happens after the fuel has done its job? Once the uranium fuel is spent, it's still highly radioactive and needs careful handling. Spent fuel is first stored in pools of water at the reactor site to cool down and allow some of the radioactivity to diminish. After a few years, it can be moved to dry cask storage, where it remains for decades. Long-term disposal is a major challenge. Scientists are working on solutions like deep geological repositories, where spent fuel can be safely stored for thousands of years. Countries around the world are investing in research to find the best ways to manage this waste and protect our environment. And there you have it. From mining to disposal, nuclear fuel goes through an incredible journey to keep our lights on and our world running. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deep dives into the wonders of science. Thanks for watching.